Welcome back. Today I am going to show you core stuff for you that really want to know when you are using computer. It's pretty interesting. Let's watch it. First one is know your hidden password. I want to know someone password who had entered in the browser. For example, I have opened facebook.com. Here I have entered some kadapa@gmail.com and I have entered some password as kadapa. The person typed password here but we didn't get any visibility. If I want to know that password, you need to go for developer options. For that, just right click here and just make click on inspect. It will be redirected to a console page where you observe input type equal to password. Just double click here. Instead of password, just erase password and write text, meaning that I am going to define it has a text box. So just press enter. Automatically your password will be visible. Your password will be visible. If I write once again here password, that won't be converted to password format. Yes. It's second trick, editing of any web page. It's somewhat fun. If I want to edit a web page like facebook.com, you need to enter into developer mode. For that, just right click and click on inspect element. Click on console, right click, clear console, write document dot design mode equal to on. Just enter. It will make you to make as a developer. Now comes to the page. Facebook helps you to. I want to write to connect, comma, chart and share. Like this, you can design your own web page. Instead of making create, I want to write like register. Yes, like this. It's simple, comma, quick and easy. Like this, you can edit any web page. It's a small trick. For example, I want to modify some website. Instead of here coronavirus, I want to write in English. Just for that, right click on inspect element, drag aside, click on console, right click, write document dot design mode equal to on, enter. It will make you as a developer option. Now move to the location which you want to edit. I want to edit this location. Just cancel and I will write corona news. Like this, you can edit any web page. It's pretty much interesting, right? Yes. Anyway, it's just for fun. Thought trick, make your own icon for your created folder. I have created a new folder like songs. For this folder, I want to set a song icon. For that, you need to download one song image like this song.png, and if you want to set this as this folder icon, you need to satisfy two prerequisite conditions. This image should be of size 256 by 256. So as this image, just click here, go for properties, check details. Its size is 512 by 512. To set an image as icon, its maximum size should be 256 by 256. For that, I am going to edit by using one software. Click on edit pictures, resize, custom height and width 256 by 256. It will be converted to 256 by 256 pixels. Yes, I have saved it. And second point is its extension should be an ICO format, ICO format. So for that I have opened it in Paint. Click on File, click on Save As, click on Other Formats. Now I want to save in ICO format. So for that I am going to select 24-bit bitmap. I am going to save in .ico format, icon format. ICO means icon format. So I am going to save once again in a desktop only. Click on this. Yes, it is going to show something. Yes. So I have created an icon with the name song. Okay. Now I want to make this folder as song icon. Just right click here, go for properties, customize, change option is there. You need to select the which icon you want to set. In desktop I have an option song.icon. So select that, open, click on OK, apply, OK, right? Yes. So this is the folder I have created. For that folder I have set an icon as song icon. Further, I want to store here songs. When I want to move to song folder, just I will open this folder. Like this, you can use a small trick to set an icon folder. Trick: restoration of previous deleted web pages. In my browser, I have opened facebook.com. Then I have opened some tvntelugu.com. I have closed facebook.com now. If I want to move to the previous facebook.com, I have one option. Click on three dots here, go for history, and click on Facebook here, the option which you can select. Yes. Okay, this is one option. Other shortcut method is you can just click on Ctrl Shift T, so that it will get back to the previous deleted web pages. Like this, if you click on Ctrl Shift T, Ctrl Shift T, Ctrl Shift T, Ctrl Shift T, the previous deleted web, all the web pages it is going to get back. Just you need to select Ctrl plus Shift plus T. This option can work for after closing of browser also. After closing of browser, I have opened once again. Now also if I enter Ctrl Shift T, it will work. A good shortcut for to open all the closed web pages. Fifth trick, move to the previous text box. For example, I am present in this web page. I have entered first name as Jaya. If I want to move to the next text box, I will just click tab. Next text box means click on tab. Next text box means tab. Next text box means tab. If I want to move to the, or if I want to change the Krishna from this text box, then one option is I can directly move my cursor to here, but I don't want to use the cursor. I want to move to the same text box last name. Then what I can do is I can use a shortcut Shift Tab. This majority of them must know Shift Tab. Shift Tab is used for to move to the previous text box. See, yes. Sixth trick: how to browse privately. In Google, whatever the thing that you are searching, that are all will be known to the Google company. I don't want to do like that. For that, I need to move to an incognito mode that you can get here by clicking on three dots. Here you got an option new incognito window. Click on it. It will be redirected to new web page. See, with this page, now you can search anything here that won't be known by the Google company. It's just a small trick. Final trick for this video, it is important. Some of you are getting confused. Where is my cursor on the screen? To identify the location of cursor on the screen, by just clicking on control, it will bubble up so that you will identify your cursor on the screen. For this option, you need to move to settings, click on settings, click on devices, click on mouse. Here you have an option additional mouse options. Click on additional mouse options. Click on pointer options. Here you have an option show location of pointer when I press control key. If you select this one, and apply, and I clicked control, it will identify. If I uncheck this one and I apply, even though I click control option, it won't visible. So for our simplicity to identify the location of cursor, just select this option and apply, click on OK. I hope you enjoyed these tricks. If you know any other tricks, please write in the comment section. As usual, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.